And it's been a long time. Hey you guys, I just want to give you a heads up and apologize in advance because this is long overdue. Kind of wish I knew where to start this, but I honestly have no idea. And considering the amount of time that I have taken in lieu or in absence, I owe you guys a big apology. Probably recorded this maybe 4 times and it has not worked at all. But hi guys, welcome back. I missed you guys. But a lot has changed in the last X amount of months, and I kind of need to walk you guys through everything. Yeah, that's about right. So in the last couple of months, we have done a lot of changes have been made, and things are moving in a different direction for the better. I think that with all the changes that have happened, a lot of good, a lot of bad, and a lot more to hope for in the future. So I'm not exactly too sure on how to break down this series of events, so I figured I would just do it pretty short, sweet, to the point. But do you guys deserve to know the truth? These are things I just can't come up with, but I don't know exactly what to share with you guys and what not to share with you guys, so why not just be 100% transparent? Yeah, that works. So a couple of months ago, Jet and I were hit with a proposal and having to move out of our other shop. It is what it is, business happens, but ultimately a lot of shady shit happened and we just couldn't deal with it. So back in February, beginning of the month, we got hit with a letter from our old landlord basically saying that we are going to almost double your rent, no utilities included, and they weren't going to add any more outlets. And if you know the old place, we only had 1 outlet to work on and it was a fucking struggle, but we still made it happen. Not gonna lie, I kind of miss this place. So with given the information we were giving, with no potential updates to the space that we were at, we were going from $975 to over $1,500, and that change was going from February 2nd, I think, when I got the letter. The letter's in the shop. Basically, we had less than 2 months to either come up with paying them $1,500, re-sign that lease, or find somewhere new. So if you kept up with me and you know any of my socials or anything like that, you'd know that back in February, I also had a baby. Akira was born. She's 8 months old as of the 22nd of October this month. I literally have refound the love of my life all over again. And you either find a place or you don't. And as you can see in the background, we found a new place. So ultimately, Jet and I said, you know what? We packed up our garage, all the memories of the old place, crammed them into a U-Haul, and 2 days of hard work to transition everything over here, but we made sure to get everything out before April 1st. Now, was that ideal? No. Did we want to move at the time? No. But we had to make some choices, and sometimes the universe decides to push you in the direction that you need to go, and who knows, maybe this is it. Now, given the amount of space that we do have here, the lot is pretty much open for us to do whatever we want, and we've already gotten started on a few projects that we want to do for this place. But as you can see, it's a very giant building, and we don't have the entire building. We do have a good amount of it, and we do plan on exploiting and using it to the best of our abilities. So we moved in here the beginning of April and kind of got put on hold because they were just still doing some building renovations, and they still are doing building renovations. We're just able to work around them. So a lot of cool stuff is actually going to be installed into the building, and we'll have more access and ability to do more things. But for now, just kind of soaking it all in, accomplishing little projects as we can here and there. So basically, we've stuck with the commitment to going over all of our builds and stuff that we were originally working on. We then brought them here, obviously. Some changes have been made. Some new cars have been added to the roster. Some old cars might have been sent out of here, but you'll find out as time goes on. We're only trying to do bigger and better things. And given the projects that I've picked up along the way, I think I can say that there's going to be some exciting content on the way for you guys. Before I start this, I want to say shout out to everybody that helped. John, Rome, Chop, Josh, Carlos, Chen, Jet, obviously. Everyone that's helped us, Taylor. Cole even helped bring some stuff over here. It was pretty cool. But everyone that's helped us get to this part, because this place is actually pretty cool. It's a lot bigger than what we were used to. More opportunities here. More for growth of the channel, and I think that now that things are starting to finally align themselves a lot better, the content and stuff that we'll be able to start pushing out again will be 100% genuine and will be 100% more consistent. I pretty much got this all figured out. Hopefully it works. Yeah, so here it is. Here's the new shop. We've got 2 bay doors. They're on both sides of the shop. Red Z is actually right here. The last time you guys saw this, I don't think I had the engine in it. I don't even think I was doing engine work, but I finished this project before we left the shop. The only problem is it still had a few tweaks and stuff I needed to get through. As you can see, battery's dead. Trying to get the front alignment done. I drove it around the lot last night just to mess with it, but the front alignment still needs work. But yeah, other than that, it does run, it does drive. It's pretty healthy. I'll save that for another video to show you guys the progress that's been with this car, but pretty much it still needs to be tested. I've only putted it around the building and the battery died last night, so we had to push it right here. I put in a lot of work. This car was actually finished back in April. I've just been doing some tweaks and stuff to it since. I'm still trying to see where I can go get it to just get the front alignment done, because I'm not trying to sit here and do it with makeshift toe plates again. I'll go over a build breakdown on that car much later. As you guys can see, E36 is still here. Jet's been working on it here and there. I'd rather have him tell you about it, so it's cool. We've got some stuff in the works for it and can't wait to see it. Okay, so Silver Z still needs a lot of work. I actually have it listed for sale, so if you do see it online, talk to me nice. $2,500. I'm not asking for a lot, and you'll get a bunch of extra parts with it. Do I want to sell it? No. Do I want to rush to build it? No. Unfortunately, I feel like it would help me recuperate some funds just so I could fund the next project. Nothing was really too wrong with the car. I was still able to maneuver it and do things like that. A lot of my old 350Z videos are actually on this car. I just have to do a lot of work to getting it back up to drivable standards, but I planned on taking a lot of my stock parts that I use off the Red Z and throwing them at this car, or dedicating this to a dedicated track car like I've always said I was going to. I do have an idea for this car as of right now. I do have it listed for sale though, like I said, to recoup some funds for, this is actually my next project up once we're done with the Red Z kind of build. I'm either gonna focus on the, or I'm gonna focus on the Silver Z, but I don't know yet. I'm still on the fence, still trying to figure out what to do with this place and this building, and that's kind of where I need you guys' help. If you'd love to come help me, sure, that'd be great. I could always use the helping hands to clean this place, but our plans are to turn this into a business and run our whole organization out of here, whether it's YouTube, how-to videos, building cars, general customer work, anything like that. We just want to incorporate to this channel as well as in this space, so that way we make it our own, have fun along the way, and who knows what happens. But also let me know what you guys want to see in this channel. I don't want to force all of my stuff. If I can provide any insights or anything like that, please let me know. Comment down below what you want to see done to any of the cars. I myself don't know the direction we're gonna go with the 4Runner, 97 Honda Accord over there, 2017 Kia over there, which as of right now, don't even get me started. It's probably a junk car. I just haven't gotten there yet. But yeah, I've been ranting on and on. I have to go and do some stuff to clean up this place. I just thought I would give you guys a quick update video as to what has been going on, what we've been doing, what the shop space looks like, because we are in a new shop. And I'm excited for this place. I'm excited for all the boys to come through, help. We have plenty of space for some hooning and other activities. Hopefully you guys like the new shop. I'll get some more footage later. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and I'll be sure to add it in here. But that's all the time that we're going to use for the video today. I need to go start making content for tomorrow or the next day.
And the next day, and the next day, and the next day.
or the next video in general. So please do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. Hope to see you guys really soon and catch you in the next one.